Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegan flan. Preheat the oven and prepare a shallow water bath while you make the caramel substitute. Measure ingredients precisely and whisk plant milk with agar and sugar until fully dissolved. Pour custard into ramekins, cover gently, and bake until set but still jiggly in the center. Chill thoroughly for best slicing and serve with a drizzle of caramel before plating. Gather ingredients and set them out for efficiency. Open the coconut milk can and measure 5 Oz, then warm it gently in a saucepan. Stir in 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of agar powder, whisking until the agar dissolves completely. Keep the mixture warm but not boiling as you prepare the caramel or bake the custard. Make the caramel first. Combine sugar and a splash of water and cook until a deep amber color forms, then remove from heat immediately. Slowly whisk warm plant milk and agar mixture into the caramel to avoid splashes. Pour into prepared ramekins, place them in a preheated water bath, and bake until the centers gently jiggle. Cool completely, then chill until firm before unmolding and serving with extra sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.